Hello everyone. Today we're going to crochet this adorable collar for our doll. Okay, let's begin. You have the chart reference on the screen to the left. First, we need to start with a slip knot, and then make 2 chains. Now, for row 1, we will make an increase in the second chain from the hook. That means 1 single crochet, and then a second single crochet in that very same stitch. Make 1 chain and turn. We will be working back and forth for this entire piece, working the first half. From this point on, we need to work only in the back loops. The back loop is the loop that is furthest away from you. In the next 3 rows, make 2 single crochets, 1 in each stitch in the back loops. Chain and turn again. We'll come to row 5, where we make 1 single crochet in the back loop, followed by an increase, 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Make 1 chain and turn. In the next row, we just have 3 single crochets, 1 into each stitch. Chain and turn. Now, we make 2 single crochet, and then an increase, 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. Make a chain and turn. Next, we will work 4 single crochets into the back loops, meaning 1 single crochet into each stitch. Okay, we have now completed the first half of our collar. We will make 5 chains to separate the 2 halves. We made 5 chains and now we work back down, starting in the second stitch from the hook, making 4 single crochets. Now we make 4 single crochets in the back loops, the same way. I'm working a bit faster now. Working the decrease section. Now we will begin the decrease section. I'll show you the back loop only decrease. Invisible decrease. Insert the hook into the back loop of 1 stitch, and then into the back loop of the next stitch, and make a single crochet to join them. After the decrease, you continue working the rest of the stitches as shown on the pattern chart. Your collar is ready. Just put it on your doll and happy crocheting. Thank you, bye.